Hi guys, today I'll show you how to review the weekly timer settings. Before you start, make sure that weekly is displayed on the screen, here. If it's not, please see movie 02 at the description below. In this random example, I have one setting for Friday and two settings for Saturday. So to view the settings, step 1. Press the menu button to display the timer monitor. Step 2. Press the little on-off button to select the day of the week you want to check. Each press will advance the day. Step 3. Press the operation button to switch the settings. Each press will advance to the next timer operation. When you finish, go to step 4. Press the mode button to return to normal screen. If you like this content, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you soon. Bye bye.